Step into the wild landscapes of Acaxochitlan, where forests, flavors, and tradition come together in a one-of-a-kind mushroom tour. Start your day with a buffet breakfast in Santa Catarina, savoring fresh, regional dishes made with local ingredients to fuel your adventure. Venture into the forests to identify and gather wild mushrooms, guided by local experts who share the secrets of the land. Transform your harvest into a delicious meal during a hands-on cooking workshop, crafting traditional mushroom soup and other local specialties. Explore Acaxochitlan's history at the Archaeological Museum, discovering pre-Hispanic artifacts and stories that reveal the region's rich past. Stroll through the town's artisan sites and historic church, experiencing the craftsmanship and cultural roots of this vibrant community. Sample handcrafted local spirits at an artisanal wine and liquor workshop, learning traditional production methods and tasting unique flavors. End your day returning to Mexico City, carrying memories of wild mushrooms' rich flavors and the warmth of Acaxochitlan's culture. Book your adventure today with Vibe Adventures.